So one of the questions that I got on a previous video is, can forex trading be self-taught? Can forex trading be self-taught? What do you think? Can somebody teach themselves forex trading? I'd like to hear what you think. So go ahead and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that you can do for me. It shows me that you appreciate what I'm doing, or that I should continue doing what I'm doing. Everything that I do for free. I don't sell anything. You do not buy anything from me. Everything that I do, I just do for free, including sharing this information with you for free. My experiences, what I've learned also whilst trading. So just go ahead and like the video. If you are looking to download stuff, forex robots, books, indicators, systems, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Okay, so let's get into today's video. Can forex trading be self-taught? What do you think? Uh, of course, we live in a world where there is so much information. There is so much information. Now, I think now more than ever, there is a whole lot of more information available, especially on the internet. And you can basically go ahead and teach yourself many skills. You just need to just go onto your Google, whether you want to learn how to cook, whether you want to learn how to play music, how to maybe play soccer and stuff. Of course, you are not going to be Cristiano Ronaldo, or you're not going to be Bed Pele or those other soccer greats, but you can simply watch YouTube videos and actually get an idea of how it's done. You are not going to be a Gordon Ramsay, but you can certainly watch videos, read websites, and you can get an idea of how to cook a good meal. So, is it the same with forex trading? Can you also do the same with forex trading? That's the core of this question. Can you teach yourself forex trading? So, I can say you can teach yourself forex trading. There are many self-taught forex traders that I've come across in real life, and also on the internet. And certainly, you can teach yourself to trade forex. However, if you are going to teach yourself to trade, it's important that you understand that it's probably going to take you a longer time, because you are teaching yourself. It's probably going to take longer than a person who has a mentor. By the way, I'm not just saying about these scam mentors or scam gurus, fake gurus, and stuff like that. I'm saying somebody who has somebody who is really professional, somebody who is really experienced, who is holding their hand and actually showing them the ropes of the industry. That person has their time to learn trading is going to be shorter than your time to learn trading. You eventually get it. You will eventually get it. But the person who has a mentor is probably going to learn it faster, because they've got somebody who is looking after them, who is edging them on, who is motivating them. Because it's not easy to learn or to trade. It's not easy in the forex industry, despite what people make it look like. Despite what people make it look like on social media and stuff like that, it's actually hard. So it's hard but possible, but doable. It's hard but doable. So you can teach yourself forex trading. You can be a self-taught trader. My advice would be start small. Start small. Again, for example, with my broker, you can start with a $5 account. Visit the link in the description box below, and you can start testing out the concepts and strategies that you are learning. So you start small with a $5 account, and you start learning the core concepts. Like what I said in one of the videos, don't try to overwhelm yourself and try to learn every strategy under the sun. I tried it, it doesn't work. Don't try to overwhelm yourself with learning every indicator under the sun. There is no holy grail in trading. What you just want to do is find a strategy that works for a certain pair. Maybe it works well on GBP USD, or it works well on USD JPY, or on AUD USD during a certain time of the day, and you just maximize on that simple strategy. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. Then you can start developing your own psychology, trade management, having a trade plan in place, things like that. Don't do the mistake of or trying to learn everything. No. So yes, you can be self-taught, but it's not going to be as easy to learn. Probably somebody who has a mentor is probably going to learn faster, and they are probably going to shorten the time that they need to start actually trading. There are also demo accounts and stuff like that, so you can simply go and open those and start testing strategies on your own. And there are resources on the internet like baby pips, like YouTube, like there is a lot. We are living in an era where information is available. It just depends on you. Subscribe on this channel. We do share quality information on trading. So it just depends on you just finding the information. It's going to be on you because you are learning to do this by yourself. You are unlike somebody who has a tutor. If they have a tutor, they are probably going to have a structured thing where the teacher is going to be teaching them this, tomorrow they teach them that, and at the end of the day, the teacher probably gives them an exam to see if they are now ready for the markets and stuff like that. But you are going to be doing this by yourself. So just be prepared to learn probably 6 months, but you never really stop learning. I've been in the market since around 2017, end of 2017. There are some things that I still learn even to this day. So because the market is dynamic, so there are things that you constantly learn each day. So you can be self-taught, just like people can be self-taught designers, self-taught programmers, self-taught cooks, self-taught drivers, whatever. You can also learn forex trading by yourself, but just look at the time frames. Don't pressure yourself. Don't overwhelm yourself with trying to learn everything under the sun. Don't try to do that. Find something that works simple, stick with that, and have a trading plan. Have a trading plan, a strategy that you follow. You'll be fine. And then practice, 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 practice. You'll be fine. So that's my 2 cents on that subject. If you have other thoughts, are you a self-taught trader? Are you a self-taught trader? I'd like to hear your thoughts on this subject. Did you use a mentor? I would like to hear your thoughts on this subject. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Otherwise, subscribe and like this video. I'll catch you in the comment section. Bye.